Grab your keys, let the sun shine in. A brand new chapter is about to begin. Down in West Biloxi, right off Howard Drive, on our apartments is a place to thrive. Walk on over to the Edgewater Mall. Take your puppy to the park, we welcome them all. With an all-electric kitchen and a private patio view, we got a beautiful space waiting just for you. Oh, find your paradise, find your home. From the Texas trails to the Gulf Coast foam. Come on down to Palma, let the good times roll. We've got the perfect space to soothe your soul. Yeah, we're keeping it bright, keeping it free. From the Lone Star State to the deep blue sea. Step inside your home, feel the cool AC. Take a dip in the pools, living sweet and easy. Right near Keesler and the MGCCC. It's the premier spot on the coast to be. But the comfort doesn't stop on Mississippi shores. We got sister communities open up their doors. Every single neighborhood a perfect place to start, bringing community and comfort straight to your heart. Oh, find your paradise, find your home. From the Texas trails to the Gulf Coast foam. Come on down to Palma, let the good times roll. We've got the perfect space to soothe your soul. Yeah, we're keeping it bright, keeping it free. From the Lone Star State to the deep blue sea. Shout out to Kingwood, Houston, where the pine trees grow. At Trailwood Village, you're right in the flow. Down in Laredo, where the culture runs deep. La Jolla and Merida Vista are the promises we keep. And right back in Biloxi, where the water meets the sky, Edgewater Point is waiting as the coast breezes blow by. Wherever you land, you're never alone. We're building a place you can truly call home. Oh, find your paradise, find your home. From the Texas trails to the Gulf Coast foam. Come on down to Palma, let the good times roll. We've got the perfect space to soothe your soul. Yeah, we're keeping it bright and keeping it free. From the Lone Star State to the deep blue sea. Pack your bags, come on in. Let your brand new lifestyle begin. Palm Isle is waiting, the sun's shining bright. Yeah,